Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we're looking at the best curbside deals this week at Walgreens for the week of the 15th to the 21st. Curbside means you're ordering this stuff through your cell phone, the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, putting in an order, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up. That easy. If you could do me a huge kindness, guys, please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. I would be so grateful if you could take a second and like the video. Now, alternatively, if you're the kind of shopper that wants to be in store, you want register rewards, you want to see what you're buying, you're that kind of shopper, watch yesterday's video and I will link it at the very end. Except for the L'Oreal deal, that is a curbside, everything else is in store. Check it out. I will also let you guys know, yesterday around 3-4 o'clock, the app was really fussy. I kept getting logged out, having issues. If that sort of thing happens to you, give it an hour or two, log back in. It happens to all of us lately. Okay, so let's go with deal number one. The first are going to be a couple $10 baskets. We're throwing in 3 bags of the Doritos at $2.99 each. That's $8.97. Now, if you remember, a lot of us received a 3 off of 3 digital coupon. I think it was a couple weeks ago. It's still there and it's still attaching. So you're going to get your Doritos for $1.97, which is a crazy price point. But to wash those down, let's also throw in 2 of these new Starbucks iced energy drinks, 0 sugar. That has some interest for me, for $4.50 for 2 of them. And we have a coupon for this as well, which is a 2 off of 2. So make sure you have this one loaded. You might not have the chip one, but I think most of us should have this Starbucks one. To get the math to balance, we're going to throw in a bag of this Magic Mix trail mix. If not, just get a thing, nice. They have like cashews and nuts and stuff for $1.99. I just threw in the Magic Mix. To show you guys this, Starbucks, the Doritos, and then using the code WAG10, 45 cents is melting off. The subtotal is $15.46, 45 cents with WAG10, and then $5 in coupons. The total here is 10. So if you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay a penny, not a bad little basket of snacks. Okay, so now we're looking at deal number 2. For this one, we are going to be grabbing one of these Finish Powers for the dishwasher for $4.99. So $2 of savings right there. Plus, we have a $2 digital. So it's dropping this down to $2.99, which is a heck of a deal for this. I think it's usually like just under $7 on a non-sales week over at Walgreens. Very expensive. And then we're also going to throw in one of these boxes of Snuggle dryer sheets for $3.99. There's also some liquid softeners for the same price point if you don't want dryer sheets. And as you can see, there's a $1 digital coupon. Here it is. Make sure you have this friend loaded for the little deal. And just to show you guys, we're also going to grab one of the Scott toilet paper and one of the Scott paper towels at $5 each. And we're grabbing one of each. And we are loading this store coupon, which is $1.25 off of each. So that's $2.50 that will melt off, plus the $1 manufacturer for the paper towel and the $1 manufacturer for the toilet paper. So that's why we're grabbing one of each. Just to show you our little course line, and WAG10 took off 60 cents, our little coupon code, and 60 cents is better than nothing. The overall total is $18.98, $3.10 melting off, $5 in manufacturers for a total of $11.83. If you guys want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it. Pay $1.83. This is called Not a Bad Deal. Okay, now we're looking at deal number 3. For this one, we're going to be grabbing 2 of the L'Oreal Elvives. There are 2, like a manufacturer and a store coupon to go with that, along with a coupon code. So it's making these 2 shampoos completely free this week. It's going to get cleared really quickly, so I would try and do this deal ASAP. And then just to show you, here's the manufacturer. See how it says manufacturer right there? So you know, and this one says My Walgreens, so you know it's a store coupon. So there are 2 different ones, and then there's also a coupon code I'll show you here in a second. And then 5 of the Arm & Hammer $1.88 products just to bulk up that basket to $10. I went with this. You can always grab something different if you wish, but I just wanted to keep it really easy. And just to show you, LP3, that's taking an additional $3 off. That's your coupon code that you'll put in that box. $3 off store, $3 off digital. The overall total for this basket is $18.38, 6 melting off with promo codes and other codes, 74 cents in tax, and then $3 manufacturer melting off. So the total is $10.12. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it, pay 12 cents, and call this a very smart basket. Okay, so the final two deals that we're going to look at, friends, involves this, which is the 7 back when you spend 35. I know some of you might have a 7 back when you spend 20 or a 7 back when you spend 30. Mine is going to be a $35 basket because this is the booster that I have. So it's just the breaks of this little thing. And for this one, we are going to be throwing in 3 of these L'Oreal Paris collagen. It's like a moisturizer. They are $9.59, so that's $28.77. Why not? And I have a 12 off of 3, so we're going to go with that. I know there's also an $8 digital, but we're going to have to go with the 12 off of 3. And then 2 of the L'Oreal Paris mascaras for $21.98, and there's also another 12 off of 2 digital coupon. So just to give you visuals of what the 2 coupons look like, we have the 12 off of 3, and then the 12 off of 2, and those are both manufacturer coupons. Okay, $12, $12, and then using the code June20, $5.36 melting off. See where it says enter code at the very top? That's where you're always putting in those little codes. So how fantastic is that? The overall total for this basket is $50.75. $5.36 coming off with that promo code, $24 in manufacturer coupons. So with your debit card, as you're using a spend 35 to earn back 7, you got to pay the balance with a debit card or credit card. So $24.11, and you're getting back $7.50. Not a bad little basket. And for all the new shoppers out there, don't use Walgreens cash as you're using a spend booster for this basket. The next basket is number 5 and our final one, and we have again our little friend loaded. Now for this one, there's a promotion this week online to spend 20 to earn back 10 on Shick products. So that's exactly what we're doing. You could possibly toss in 2 $9.99 products, but you'll be off by I think 2 cents. So you need to grab one for $14.99 and one for $9.99. And you can get the men's razors that's $14.99 or the ladies, but I went with the ladies. We have 2 $4 coupons, so you're going to load both of these little friends. And just to make the basket extra nice, throw in a $15.99 Tide, either the pods or the liquid. And then we have a $3 coupon to go with this one. I just threw in a Tide because I know a lot of you are like me, where you love these giant bottles of magic. And then just to show you guys, Tide, Shick, WAG 10 taking $1.30 off, and then another $4 for the ladies Shick. So make sure you have both of those Shick coupons loaded. Okay, so $40.97, $1.30 melting off. We're still at that $35 threshold for the spend 35 to earn back 7, $11 in manufacturers. With your debit card, pay $31.05, and you're getting back $17.40. 10 for the Shick of spend 20, earn back 10, and then 7 for the booster. Do not use any Walgreens cash. This one is a fantastic basket. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.